Hey guys, Joshua Peterson Electric. Second video to this older home with Lath and Plaster. I want to show you this. This actually has blended plaster with drywall. The general contractor was wondering by picture text if it had just drywall. Down below drywall, up here Lath and Plaster. They cut this and then they put another stud in here when they did the kitchen, but this is old Lath and Plaster and this is all drywall here. So we tried getting our fish line all the way down, measured it, and then all the way up from the bottom and measured it, and we knew we were hitting something right in here. And as you can see, we had to drill a hole to get through. But yeah, so there's not always times that we can not cut. So all you guys that call me up with your ideas, which we appreciate, but sometimes there's no magic to this. You just make a mess, cut it, get your wire through, and you're good. We've tried going in so many different other boxes to see if we could get up, but we're finding this everywhere. So the only other way, maybe conduit outside into the attic just for a dedicated circuit for one light fixture. We don't want to do that. That's a waste of a circuit and a panel. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining us.